Hey YouTube, it's SJ. It's been a while, but I'm back, and if you've read the title, you will know that this is a Nike SB Soulland blazer, which I'm super excited about. So let's get to it. As I said, it's been a while. This may take a while. That actually wasn't that bad. Okay, so these came from Flat Spot. Flat Spot came good for me, people. They came good. As I said, out of practice, but I'm going to try and do this right. So these are a Nike SB Blazer Mid QS for Quick Strike, and they are light bone, white pure platinum. They are a UK 6, a European 40, 25 centimeters. They are a US men's 7. Interestingly, these also have women's sizing on as well, because, well, any train is unisex really, isn't it? But let's get to it. Mr. B, I'm so excited because this is kind of the drop that I've been waiting for since August. Let's take a look, people. Let's take a look. Woodcut paper, nothing special. They're nice. They are super nice. Going in, going all in. Oh my word. Oh my words. Now, I know these aren't to everyone's taste. Being snaky, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look, come on, focus, focus, just look at it, look at that shine, look at that. So these are the third drop from Scandi, Copenhagen, Skate Shop Soulland with Nike SB. We don't have the first round, but we do have both pairs from the FRI.day 02 drop from 2 years ago. I actually picked up a pair of those from Atlas in San Mateo from Mr. B. This time, you know, these were a bit of an effort for me to get. I'm not going to go into that now. I'll probably talk about that on one of our live streams, but these were a bit of an effort, a bit of a story. But I am so pleased I finally actually got my hands on them. So let's go into the detail. Are you ready, Mr. B? I know it's been a while, but we're going to go in. So you have this snakeskin, which has a real shine to it. Like, it's not, it's just really nice. I know, like, a lot of people were like, that isn't going to look great. And even I said, after seeing a general release blazer with a similar snakeskin, that this had to be good materials for it to look good, and this does look good. I really do like this. Then you have the swoosh, which is probably my least favourite part of the design, in all honesty. It's this platinum swoosh in plastic, which is quite, you know, it's 3D effect, it sort of stands out. Then you have like the taping that you see on the vintage blazers, more than the traditional SB blazers. You don't normally see that on them. This is definitely on my vintage 77 blazers. Then you have the chenille. Camera number 2, I'm sort of neglecting you. I'm going to come up and see you. Then at the back, you've got the chenille swoosh that wraps around the back. And as we've seen a lot over the past year, Nike are being a little bit adventurous with what they do with the old swoosh, which is kind of cool. Look, you can just see that shine on the snakeskin. It's just so nice. Then on the back, on this one, I'm going to come right in. Focus, focus, focus. There you go. You can just see it says day in the leather at the back. As with the FRI.day 0.2 drop, which were kind of a forerunner for the Deconstructed series that came out like literally a couple of months afterwards. These aren't padded like a normal SB blazer is around the heel. So these are quite nice and light in comparison to normal SB blazers. So you can see there, Mr. B, there's like no padding, and it's all leather on the inside as well, which is really nice leather around there. Spare laces. The laces are just plain white. The laces that are already in there, sort of grey colour, sort of a mottled grey and white, which is quite nice.
I think that might be actually snakeskin effect.
Yeah, it kind of might be a snakeskin effect. Now, I'm not going to be able to say this because we always get this wrong. Eaglets? Eyeglets? I don't know. See, no, I get it wrong already.
I've got no idea.
The lace caps they have on them, Tokyo 03 snake, and it's the same on that one. Well, it's TKYO, which I'm assuming is for Tokyo, because these were released only in Europe and Japan, I believe. On the tongue tab, blazer mid. See that? Focus, focus. Doesn't want to focus. Doesn't want to focus, Mr. B. See, you've got Nike SB, blazer mid in red. The red just sits really nicely against these. Then you've got, and I'm guessing, is that saying FRI.day or Soulland on the tongue? I think it's quite difficult for me to read it all without unlacing them, which I don't really want to totally unlace them. And in the inside, you've got FRI.day in this one, and you've got Soulland in this one. I'm not sure if you can see that in the red. It might be quite hard to come across on the camera. Yeah. And then on the back of this one, I'm just going to swing them both round. So you got FRI.day. Look at that. Look at that. No, I'm going to get it round the right way. FRI.day Soulland. There we go. That's like me walking along. That's how I walk, obviously. Oh, it's so nice. They are really nice. Do you know what? These are... I'm going to say it actually. I was a little bit nervous about whether I'd like them or not. I'm going to be honest. These are quite possibly my favourite pickup of the year so far. I'm going to put in so far because I reckon there's going to be some cool drops between now and Christmas. I might be wrong, but these are so nice. I have seen the friends and family pair that are online, which are in more of a deep sort of charcoal washed out black, and they are so nice. I really like those as well. These getting a massive thumbs up from me. I don't, you know, oh, I'm going to trash them, aren't I? I just know I am. They're so nice, they're so nice. Look. What do you think, Mr. B, on sneaker cam? Are you liking these? I
am. Let me try and zoom in on this.
Go on, zoom in. As I said, it's been a while since we've done one of these. We're a bit out of practice, and sneaker cam, that's not our normal sneaker cam.
Yeah, they're really nice. I love that swoosh that's just wrapping itself around the heel.
So I'm going to say, like, the material on them, I'm just going to go back to that. It is premium, as I kind of hoped that this drop would be, which is what I'd expect based on the previous drop that Mr. B has. You know, those materials are so nice, particularly on the dunk that he has, the white dunk. It's just such a nice, clean lined sneaker, which is what you'd expect really from this collab. It's just too nice. I know I say this a lot, but I haven't got anything else to say because they are just lovely. I like, oh, I wear these with so much. I want to wear them now, but it's chucking it down outside. I don't think I'm going to say anything else because I just like these so much. As I said, these are so far my drop of the year. I haven't unboxed my Cactus Jacks yet. I'm a blazer girl, let's be honest. I love my AF1s, but SJ is a blazer girl. So I think these are going to be my favourites of the year. Verdict, Mr. B, out of 10?
8.
Do you want a pair?
Might do.
You hoping I've got you a pair?
Hoping.
We will see, we will see. As I said, I'm not going to tell you the full story. I'll probably ramble all of that on our live stream, which will probably be aired before this video comes out. So go back and check out the live stream if you want to find out the whole story behind these. Again, you know, flat spot came good for me, those flat spot gods. So thank you so much for picking me in the drawer. Again, I seem to have a bit of luck on flat spot. Now, if you're new around here and you kind of like my rambling video, give us an old subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Did you pick these up? Were you lucky enough to get these? Are you looking to get these on the resale market? Have you got those elusive friends and family? Oh, they're super sexy, sneaky, yeah. And yeah, I'm out of here because I want to try these on because they are so nice. You know what? My colleague, he's probably going to watch this video, he said, Mr. B's going to wear snakeskin sneakers. And I was like, if they're good enough for Eric Coston, they're good enough for Mr. B. And on that note, I'm out of here. See you soon. Bye.